I tell you things I never say, like all my thoughts from silly day. You keep my dreams and make them glow. My pillow knows just where to go. My soft pillow, quiet and kind, you hold my head and calm my mind. You're my cloud and bedtime hug, wrapped in dreams so warm and snug. Now I'm wrapped in cotton light. You hold me still and tuck me tight. My pillow breathes a lullaby and lifts thoughts from silly days.